In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Amazon account. Whether you're looking to take a break from online shopping or simply have other reasons, knowing how to properly close your account can be quite useful. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to access the account closure request page on Amazon's website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the page specifically designed for closing accounts. This is a personalized page set up by Amazon to help users through the closure process securely and efficiently. If you can't find the page right away, you may want to use the search feature on Amazon by simply typing "How to close my account." This should direct you to the correct section. Once you're on the Close Your Amazon Account page, you'll find yourself at the heart of the process. What you want to do is scroll all the way down towards the bottom of this page. It's here that you're going to find a drop-down menu where you'll be asked to select a reason for closing your account. This is just so that Amazon can keep tabs on common reasons users might want to shut down their accounts, helping them improve their services in the future. Choose the option that best explains your reason or simply that you no longer want the account. Now, just below that, you'll see a checkbox. You'll need to check this box to confirm that you're serious about wanting to permanently close your account and have your data deleted. Make sure you really want to go through with this, as closing your account will mean losing access to all your Amazon-related activity, including purchase history, reviews, and any accumulated balances which are not transferable. After you've checked everything and you're certain about your decision, find the button labeled "Close My Account" and click on it. This is the point of no return, so take a deep breath and proceed. The task isn't complete just yet, as the next step is all about verifying your closure request. To ensure security, Amazon will send you a verification link. This link will be dispatched to either your registered email or the phone number linked to your account. So, make sure to check both, including your spam or junk folder. When you find the email or message, it will contain a link that you need to click to confirm your account closure request. Clicking on this link finalizes the process, and your Amazon account will be permanently closed. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation that your account has been closed, and your personal data is on its way to being deleted. It's that simple. I hope this guide has helped you confidently and easily close your Amazon account if that's what you've chosen to do. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to watch our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.